I was busy flying my drone here in Versova in Mumbai. You cannot go too high. It's maximum 60 meters high because of the airport that's not too far from here. As soon as I landed the drone, this little kid came with a very sad face. I said, "Why are you sad?" He said, "Uncle, please, uncle, can you fly the drone? I will pay you." I said, "No, it's okay. I will take the drone out of the bag and fly it, and you don't have to pay me for that." How much you want to pay me to fly the drone?
You fly the drone. Yes, 10 rupees. Who's this 10 rupees?
He wants to pay me 10 rupees just so that I can fly the drone. How old are you? 4. I tell you what. You keep your 10 rupees, okay? And I will fly the drone for you now, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Tell him.
Okay, challenge. Okay, boy.
Okay, yeah, keep your 10 rupees. That kid right there, he wants to give me 10 rupees just so that I can fly the drone. This is amazing. You know, that's why I love traveling, because you never know what to expect. Oh, watch the screen. Yeah. Just watch the boy. All right, okay. We got Mumbai gangsters now. He's a good kid. I'm going to fly now, okay? Yeah, let's go over there, my brother. Hey! He just bit me, this dog. He bit me. I just got bit by a dog. I told you, these dogs are a bit vicious.
It's made a dog in the cover.
Wow. The dog just bit me. Watch that dog. Keep him away from me. Yeah. Yeah, let go. That's it. There you go. You happy? Are you happy? We're flying now. Where is he? Tell him to walk. The drone will follow him. Yes.
Okay.
Are you happy? Are you happy? You happy?
98,000
Okay.
Please,
You see now, you happy?
It's one guy. It's a comeback.
पकड़ हाथ से पकड़ ड्रोन सीधा पकड़ एकदम
Okay.
पकड़
Like this. Like this.
अच्छा पकड़
Yes. You ready?
पकड़ा उधर से हाथ को ले हाथ हाँ पकड़ ही रहा वैसे
You ready? Watch this.
उधर का वो हाथ उससे
Aha. You happy now? Yeah, you happy now? What's his name? Hasne, you happy? Hasne, look. Hasne. Yes. Okay? You happy now? Yes, thank you. Oh, he wants to... No, you can't take it with you. Okay. Are you happy?
yes.
Yes, good.
I'm dead.
Okay, yeah, he's happy. He's a happy bunny. You happy? I've got you here. All right. This was specially for you, okay? Yes. Keep your 10 rupees. Uncle, I'll give you 10 rupees. Let me fly the drone. Let me see.
9,000 का ये 10 9,000
This kid is gonna be a business person. What's his name? Asne, you're gonna be a business person, man. Uncle, here's 10 rupees. Fly the drone, please. Uncle, here's 10 rupees. Fly the drone. I'm here with the lovely people of Mumbai. Even after the dog bit me, the people are still lovely. With these lovely people of Mumbai here, we all just relaxing and amazing people. They call themselves Mumbai Indians, the happiest Indians in India. And the little boy Gutra, very interesting kid. Gutra is gonna be a businessman. Watch him. He's a businessman kid. Gutra was a. Gutra, you happy now?
means dog.
Oh, you guys. What's his
Marathi language Kutra.
What's his name? Hasnan. So why you keep saying Dutra? You're bad.
You say dog.
That's why he wasn't responding. He thought, why? You calling me a dog?
We
Love Mumbai.
We love beach.
Yes.
We love hot.
Varasova Beach.
We love pani mein nahan.
These lovely kids,
Yay.
the lovely parents there, the ladies. I'm right in the heart of slums of Mumbai, and people are absolutely amazing here. I've had a wonderful time. You gotta love mixing with the people. Oh, the two ladies just sitting there, they're just chilling. I'm watching these dogs. I got bit by a dog here in Warsaw today, so I'm very careful with these Mumbai dogs. Mumbai dogs, no way. I've asked, what's your name?
Sufyan.
I've asked Sufyan and Thuel to walk me out of Warsaw near the beach because the dog bit me. So they're just walking me out of here. What a day. I've had a wonderful day here in Warsaw with such lovely people. I've been into the slums and it was a wonderful experience. Time to go to Warsaw Metro. Hello, lads.
Hello. Hi.
How much is it to go on your bike? How much, Ruby?
My not bike.
Yeah, where's your bike?
No.
No bike?
No.
Whose bike you sitting on there?
Other person.
You can sit on somebody's bike and no problem. Oh, so you just, okay, I like this bike, I sit on it, no problem. That's good. All right, that's good, guys. Oh my God. Somebody else's bike, you find it, you just sit on it, simple. Oh, you're just chilling, man. Yeah? Life is good, eh? Life is good in Mumbai.